If you find yourself wishing that there was an easier way to manage your Facebook and Instagram accounts from, let's say, one centralized app on your phone, you're in luck because Facebook just made our lives easier with their unveiling of Facebook Business Suite. In this video, I'm going to review what Facebook Business Suite is, show you how to access Facebook Business Suite both on your laptop or desktop and also on your phone, and also highlight some of the features within Facebook Business Suite that you may really like. Hi y'all, I'm Vivian Walton, the Seasoned Marketer, and I share marketing tips, tools, and tactics with resourceful business owners. If you're new here, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel or following me on Facebook because every week I release a new marketing video. Oh, and hey, the announcement that we're talking about today, I actually shared this with my weekly email subscribers last week. So if you want to be the first to know about some of these social media updates or just want even more marketing tips, then consider subscribing to my weekly email list. And every Thursday, I'll hit your inbox with even more information that could help you market and grow your business. Okay, so if you are currently running a Facebook business page and an Instagram business profile, you are probably doing one of three things. You may be keeping everything separate, meaning you post on Facebook through the Facebook app or platform, you post on Instagram through the Instagram app or platform, and you check your analytics for each one of these separately in their respective apps or platforms. Or you may use Facebook Creator Studio, meaning you post on Facebook using Creator Studio, you post on Instagram using Creator Studio, and you check your analytics for each one of these in Creator Studio. Or you may use an app that is not tied to Facebook, such as Hootsuite, Plan, or Buffer, and there are a few more out there to choose from, which means you post on Facebook through whichever app you are using, you post on Instagram through whichever app you are using, and you may check your analytics for each one of these separately in their respective apps or platforms. So for Facebook, you would check the analytics under Facebook, and Instagram, you would check the analytics under Instagram. But on September 17, 2020, Facebook introduced yet another option for us, Facebook Business Suite. They have designed Facebook Business Suite to be a hub. So they have the app that you can download on the phone and also the desktop version where you can manage both your Facebook business page and your Instagram business profile out of just one central location. What this means is that by using Facebook Business Suite, you would be able to receive all of your updates and notifications, send messages, receive messages from both platforms, create ads for both platforms, check your insights and analytics, and then as well as schedule all of your posts for both Facebook and Instagram out of just one tool. For those of you out there like me who use Facebook Creator Studio pretty consistently to post on both platforms, you may be wondering why they decided to release Business Suite. Is it really all that different from Creator Studio? And I can tell you that having used Creator Studio quite a bit and then also checking out the Business Suite, it is a little easier to use simply because if you're using Creator Studio, you know that you still have to go in and separately schedule the post on both platforms. This is one easy way to really just write one post and then hit send to both platforms at the same time. So it is a little different. They have other features as well that vary compared to Creator Studio. The other thing is, personally, I do not think they're going to keep Creator Studio. I think this Business Suite will eventually replace Creator Studio. And that's something that Sheryl Sandberg could have been hinting at whenever they did the announcement, and she wrote, "We're building Facebook Business Suite for small businesses first. But this is a long-term investment to make this the main interface for businesses of all sizes who use Facebook, Messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp." But that's besides the point. Let me show you how to access Facebook Business Suite so that way you could get in there, play around with it, and see if it's something that you potentially could use. Let's start by tapping into my computer so that I can show you where to find it on the desktop version. All right, so I've logged into my Facebook business page, and you'll notice if I scroll down, there is a banner here with a button that says Go to Business Suite. When you click on it, it's simply going to redirect you to the Facebook Business Suite page. Now, it is going to ask you to confirm access. I've already done this, but if that's not something that you have done, you will need to go ahead and do that. Hit confirm. Now, if you notice, let's go and take a look at the left-hand side. First, we're clicking on activity. Notice that it has Facebook and Instagram activity notifications intertwined. So this is something that is different from Facebook Creator Studio. The inbox is also pulling from Facebook and Instagram, and so are the direct messages, it seems like. So I can separate the two out and look at each one individually, or I can look at them together from the main page. All right, so this is all my Facebook ones. If I switch it over to Instagram. All right, let's check out the post. It looks like you can select how you view your post. This is the list version. And let's check out the scheduled, because I do know I have one pre-scheduled right now. I can toggle between Facebook and Instagram. I don't have anything scheduled for Instagram, so I'll go back to all. So it seems like if I look at the feed, I can toggle between Facebook and Instagram as well up here at the top. So that's nice to be able to do that just out of one platform. If you use Creator Studio, you know that you can access both, but they have them on completely separate tabs. So you usually have to go into different locations to control or to look at both. Let's look at the Instagram grid. All right, ads. I don't have any ads running because I don't run ads for this particular business right now. Analytics. If you notice, the analytics seems to have analytics for both the Facebook and Instagram as well. I can also access more of the tools that they have. All right, let's look at the trends. So it shows me my Facebook and Instagram reach out of the same dashboard, which is nice. And I can look at all my audience information for both of them under here as well. I can access the insights from here. And if I wanted to create a post, let's see what that looks like. So it seems like you could go in, create a post, and just select both these boxes, Instagram and Facebook. Now, let's see if, oh, it says because I have Instagram selected, Instagram does not support a link publishing. So that's really great because, you know, in Instagram, you have to provide the link in the bio. It doesn't go in the text. So it seems like it's pretty intuitive and it knows that. All right, if you notice right here, I can scroll through and actually see what the post is going to look like in each environment. Desktop newsfeed for Facebook. Okay, so now let's go ahead and turn it over to my phone so that we can look at it through the app version. First, I'm going to go to Google Play and find the app. Just type in Facebook Business Suite and install it. open it once it's installed, and it has you verify which account you want to open it under. And it seems to have automatically found my seasoned marketer page. So let's take a look and see how this is different. If you notice, it's showing my recent post on both Facebook and Instagram. All right, so if I were to create a new post, right now, oh, okay, so right here is where you select where you want it to go. Either Facebook and Instagram, or Facebook or Instagram. That's nice to just be able to do it out of one post. These are my published posts. Right now at the top, it's showing that it's pulling from the Facebook feed. So it's asking me if I want to look at it from a list, Instagram grid, or from the Facebook feed. So I can toggle between the two as I'd like. Or as a list, it combines them both under the same. All right, so messages, it looks like it's doing the same thing. It's pulling them from both, as well as comments. I'm going to click right down here, right-hand corner, and this is where all the ads, appointments, events, all of that's stored. So I clicked on ads, and it seems like you can create an ad and manage your ads right out of that one area. Analytics or insights, it's pulling from both accounts, Facebook and Instagram. That's really great that it shows it on the same screen. And then it's showing you how it's linked to my Facebook and Instagram accounts. All right, let me look at settings. All of my settings are available right there as well. Interestingly, Facebook says that the creation of Facebook Business Suite is actually a direct result of COVID-19. It was their way of jumping into action and trying to assist businesses to get up and running as quickly as possible. Listen, I say the more tools and resources that we have to create efficiencies in our everyday workflows, and just to make it a little easier for us to actually post and get our information and content out there to our audience, the better. So I really want to hear from you. Circle back with me after you've downloaded the app or checked out the desktop version, and just let me know, do you think this is a really good addition that Facebook has rolled out? Is it something that you could see yourself using on a daily basis? And will it make your life a little easier as far as posting on both platforms? I really want to know. If you like this video, remember that every Monday I release a video just like this one with information that could help you save time and money when it comes to marketing your business. Don't forget that I also have a website at www.theseasonedmarketer.com where you can find all of my previous videos, as well as a couple of freebies that are ready for you to download. So definitely go check that out. Thanks you guys for tuning into another Monday Marketing Minute. I'll catch you guys next week, same time and place.